So I have a Swisher 27 horsepower zero turn mower, and the battery's good. This fuse I just replaced, but now all I hear is clicking from the solenoid, which is down here. However, I do have these cables that appear to be cut off, or something's missing. Might have to deal with this. I tried connecting them or whatever, but nothing seems to work. All I hear is clicking.